12 coolest survival gadgets for 2025. Cadin Pocket Water Filter. The Cadin Pocket Water Filter is a reliable, durable solution for survival situations, capable of filtering up to 13,000 gallons of water. Its ceramic filter removes bacteria, protozoa, and sediment from any water source, making it ideal for streams, rivers, or ponds. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for adventurers who prioritize reliability over weight. While it's heavier than ultralight filters, its long lifespan and efficiency make it a top choice for serious survivalists. Regular cleaning ensures optimal performance, providing safe drinking water even from puddles. Mission Cooling Towel. If you've ever spent a hot, grueling day on the trail or in the wilderness, you know how quickly exhaustion can set in, especially when you're trying to keep your body temperature regulated. That's where the Mission Cooling Towel comes in. This isn't your average towel, it's a high-tech, instant cooling cloth that works by absorbing moisture and then using evaporative cooling to bring your body temperature down in a matter of seconds. You simply wet the towel, wring it out, and within moments you feel the cooling effect as it releases heat. For 2025, this is a must-have tool for staying comfortable during those sweltering summer hikes or survival situations where heat stress can be dangerous. Gerber Bear Grylls Fire Starter. Let's face it, fire is one of those life-or-death tools you can't go without in a survival situation. Enter the Gerber Bear Grylls Fire Starter, a compact, no-nonsense fire starter that packs some serious punch. With its ferrocerium rod and metal striker, it's built to spark a flame even in wet conditions, making it an essential addition to your survival kit. Whether you're starting a campfire for warmth, boiling water, or cooking your next meal, this fire starter's reliability is unmatched. And while it's small enough to fit in your pocket, it's also durable enough to handle the roughest conditions. Biolite Headlamp 330. Hands-free lighting in a survival situation is a game-changer, and the Biolite Headlamp 330 is here to make sure you can see where you're going and still keep your hands free for tasks like gathering firewood, setting up camp, or cooking. This headlamp offers 330 lumens of brightness, which is more than enough to light your path at night. It's incredibly lightweight, comfortable to wear, and features a sleek, low-profile design that ensures it won't bounce around or give you neck strain while hiking. The 40-hour battery life is another major perk, meaning you don't have to worry about constantly recharging it. Plus, the rechargeable feature means you don't need to constantly replace batteries, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective in the long run. Overland Solar Blanket. Energy needs don't stop just because you've left the grid, right? That's why the Overland Solar Blanket is a must-have gadget for 2025. This lightweight, compact solar blanket is designed to charge your devices using the power of the sun. It's perfect for anyone who spends extended periods of time in the wilderness and needs to keep their electronics charged, whether that's your phone, GPS, or power bank. Unlike traditional solar panels, this blanket is incredibly portable, so you can easily stow it in your pack without adding much weight or bulk. It's also made from durable, weather-resistant materials, so whether you're in the desert or a forest, it's built to withstand tough environments. While it can't generate as much power as a large solar panel, it's incredibly efficient for its size and provides enough juice for essential devices in a pinch. Mountain House Freeze-Dried Food. When you're out in the wild and food is scarce, a Mountain House freeze-dried food is a lifesaver. This survival food option provides high-quality, easy-to-make meals that are packed with nutrients and protein, giving you the energy you need to keep pushing through the day. Mountain House has been in the business of freeze-dried meals for decades, and they've perfected the art of creating meals that are both lightweight and tasty, something that can be tough to find in survival food. Whether you're craving beef stew, scrambled eggs, or pasta primavera, all you need is hot water to rehydrate these meals. And within minutes, you've got a hot, filling dish that'll keep you going. The beauty of freeze-dried food is that it's lightweight and shelf-stable, making it perfect for long backpacking trips or emergency preparedness. Bison Design's Survival Belt. Not all survival gear has to be bulky, and the Bison Design's Survival Belt is a prime example of that. This stylish, tough-as-nails belt doesn't just hold up your pants, it's packed with hidden survival gear. Made for heavy-duty nylon, this belt features a built-in paracord that can be used for a variety of survival purposes, from building shelters to creating traps or even as an emergency tourniquet. It also comes with a whistle and a small fire-starting tool hidden within the buckle, so you're never without the essentials when you need them most. It's the kind of discreet survival gear that doesn't scream, "I'm ready for the apocalypse," but could seriously save your life in a pinch. Clement Static V2 Sleeping Pad. Rest is crucial in any survival situation, and that's where the Clement Static V2 sleeping pad comes into play. This ultra-light, compact sleeping pad is designed to provide maximum comfort and insulation even in the most rugged environments. It uses Clement's proprietary air chambers to provide support and warmth, keeping you off the cold, hard ground while you get your much-needed sleep. At just 16 ounces, it's perfect for ultralight backpacking, but don't let the small weight fool you. This pad packs a punch when it comes to comfort. The only downside? It can be a little tricky to inflate, especially in colder temperatures, but once you get it set up, you'll sleep soundly and wake up feeling ready to take on whatever the wilderness throws at you. Emberlet wood stove. If you're looking for a reliable, sustainable way to cook your meals in the wilderness, the Emberlet wood stove is an absolute must-have. This compact folding stove allows you to burn wood, twigs, or other small natural fuels to create a fire for cooking and boiling water. It's lightweight, durable, and packs down small enough to fit in your pack without taking up too much space. The Emberlet stove is perfect for anyone looking to reduce their reliance on gas or fuel canisters, as it runs entirely on natural materials found in the environment. While it's not the fastest stove out there, its simplicity and versatility make it ideal for longer trips where you can gather your own fuel and don't want to carry extra weight. Smith & Wesson Border Guard Knife. Every survivalist needs a reliable knife, and the Smith & Wesson Border Guard knife is built for tough jobs. This fixed-blade tactical knife features a high-carbon stainless steel blade that's perfect for cutting, chopping, and even defending yourself in dire situations. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, even during extended use, and the full-tang construction ensures maximum strength and durability. Whether you're skinning game, setting up camp, or using it for self-defense, this knife has your back. The only thing to watch out for is the sharpness. Make sure you're well practiced in knife handling, because this blade cuts through materials like a hot knife through butter. AquaVe Water Purification Straw. If you're in need of an ultra-portable water purification solution, the AquaVe Water Purification Straw is exactly what you need. This lightweight, straw-shaped purifier is capable of filtering out 99.99% of bacteria, viruses, and protozoa, making it perfect for drinking directly from streams, lakes, or puddles. It's like having a built-in water filtration system right in your pocket. Simply dip the straw into any water source, sip, and you're good to go. It's quick, it's easy, and it's super portable. Ideal for hikers, backpackers, or anyone who finds themselves needing water in a pinch. However, it's not designed to filter large quantities of water at once, so keep that in mind for group situations. But for individual use on the go, this little lifesaver could keep you hydrated in the most unexpected places. Survivaware's small first aid kit. Accidents happen, and when they do, you want to be prepared. The Surviveware Small First Aid Kit is an ultra-compact, well-organized kit packed with everything you need to treat minor injuries and more serious wounds in the wilderness. It comes with bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze, scissors, tweezers, and even a whistle to signal for help. What sets this kit apart is its thoughtful organization. Each item is carefully packed into individual compartments, making it easy to find what you need when you need it most. This kit is small enough to fit into any pack without weighing you down, but it contains all the essentials for treating injuries, stopping bleeding, and even managing infections in a survival scenario. Now, I want to hear from you. What survival gadget do you think is an absolute must-have? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome survival gear updates. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll catch you in the next video.